Hello students, good morning. In today's class, we are going to discuss the gist of our new poem, A Watering Rhyme, along with some difficult words. In previous classes, we have already, or in previous class, we have already recited the poem, and some of the students also recited the poem in online class. And I told you, or I assigned you homework to recite in front of your elders 3 times or thrice. Okay? So now let us recite the poem again and understand the gist of our poem. A watering rhyme. Early in the morning or the evening hour, at the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. So, I showed you the different types of pictures given to you in this chapter. There are pictures of some plants and some kids watering the plants with pipe. Okay. So, this chapter is all about how we should water a plant. Okay. So, from this poem, we learn that early morning and evening hours are the best time to water the plants. When we should water the plants? When should we water the plants? We should water the plants early in the morning or evening hours. Okay. So, watering the plants at noonday. Watering the plants at noonday. Noonday means 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay. Watering the plants at the noonday or when the sun is above our head doesn't help the plants. What do you mean by noonday? Noonday means 12 o'clock or when the sun is over our head. So, at noonday we should not water the plants. Okay. At noonday we should not water the plants. When we water the plants, we should water at the roots. Okay, when we water the plants, we should keep in our mind that we have to water the plants at the roots. Okay, we should soak the earth around the roots. उसके चारों ओर जो जमीन है उसको हमें क्या करना चाहिए, गीला कर देना चाहिए. We should soak the earth around the root with water. We should soak the earth around the root with water, so that roots can get water easily. Okay, so that roots can get water easily. So these are the gist. These things are the gist of our poem. In this poem, we should learn how we water a plant, where we water a plant, and when we water a plant. When we water a plant, we should water a plant in the morning or evening. Where we should water at the roots. How we should soak earth around the roots. Okay. So these are the this is the gist of our poem, A Watering Rhyme. Now come to the difficult words. I think hour is not a difficult word for you. I don't think that hour is a difficult word for you, because hour means 60 minutes and you have already learned these things in mathematics class. I reached my uncle's home before an hour. मैं अपने मामा के घर 1 घंटा पहले पहुंच गया. I reached my uncle's home before an hour. Similarly, the next difficult word is watering. What do you mean by watering? Watering means making something wet. किसी को गीला करना. Making something wet. Watering का मतलब क्या हुआ? Making something wet. Watering. That means making something wet. For example, my father watering the plants in our garden. हमारा garden में my father watering the plants in our garden. Now come to the next difficult word, and the next difficult word is noonday. What do you mean by noonday? I told you before that noonday means 12 o'clock or when the sun is over our head or the middle of the day, और क्या बोल सकते हैं, the middle of the day. Noonday means the middle of the day. The sun is above our head in the noonday. You can write a sentence like that. The sun is above our head in the noonday. Boots. Boots. All of you have weared boots. Footwear. Boots means footwear. चप्पल, बूट, ये सबको footwear बोला जाता है. लेकिन boots means footwear that covers our foot and lower leg. जो लंबे जूते होते हैं जो हमारा पैर के नीचे से लेकर पाँव तक सब कवर करते हैं. Footwear that covers our foot and lower leg. Footwear that covers our leg, foot and lower leg. Boots. ओके जो रेनी सीजन में हम जूता भी यूज करते हैं रबर के, वी यूज रबर बूट्स इन रेनी सीजन. ओके नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट डिफिकल्ट वर्ड, सोक. व्हाट डू मीन बाय सोक? व्हाट डू मीन बाय सोक? सोक मीन्स to make something wet just like watering, but by dipping inside it, पानी के अंदर किसी को हम भिगो के उसको गीला करने को सोक बोला जाता है. जैसे कि हम चना भिगोते हैं, to make something wet by dipping inside it. ओके जैसे कि हम रात में सोने के लिए ठंडी में क्या करते हैं, गर्म पानी में अपना पेट डुबा के, थोड़ा सा गर्म पानी में डुबा के सोते हैं. सोक हर फीट इन वार्म वाटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन राइट ए सेंटेंस, सोक हर फीट इन वार्म वाटर. Now come to the last difficult word, heat. Heat means high temperature. Heat means high temperature. गर्मी बढ़ जाने को heat बोलते हैं. Heat means high temperature. So it is difficult to bear the heat in summer. It is difficult to bear the heat in summer. It is difficult to bear the heat in summer. Okay. So these are the difficult words along with a gist of the chapter. I hope you learn this very well and write down in your copy. आप क्या करेंगे, gist को अपने कॉपी में लिखेंगे और difficult words को भी अपने कॉपी में लिखेंगे और ग्रुप में सेंड करेंगे. Thank you and have a nice day.